Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java.
In this video, we will see how to add jQuery and font awesome using Angular CLI. As you can see here, web and mobile both the screen, so we will add those changes as well. Let's start using IntelliJ instead of the Spring source. I will show you from where you can download the free version. Let's search IntelliJ Community Edition. Open first link. See here, you can see two options are available, one for Ultimate and one for Community. So the Community is free, but there are some limitations, but that's okay. In case of Angular and Spring Boot we don't need everything. Whatever is required, Community Edition is enough. So I already downloaded. If you want you can also download the Community Edition. Let's open IntelliJ. Let's import our Angular and Spring Boot project, which is in the Downloads folder. See, here is the project. Now let's click on OK. Here I am not selecting import project, just continue with create project options. Click on finish. Project importing. Change project structure to project files. See, when you continue with default setting, project structure is not correct. Next video we will select import project as Maven options. Now click on the terminal tab which is in the bottom left. Now let's run the project using ngserve. See, compiled successfully. Let's open the application in a browser. See, whatever we added till the last video, it is working fine. Before adding further changes, let's add some dark related CSS. Let's open book component HTML file. For all input add dark class. Use this for all input. See, it is looking more good and text is showing in white color. Let's add some dark background CSS to replace this white background. Let's open styles CSS file. Add background CSS at the body level. See, that's it. Let's check. See, it's perfect. Let's inspect this page. Click on the responsive icon. See, it is showing view for mobile. In the second video, like I said, this collapse icon is not working because jQuery is missing. You can see it's not working. So let's execute CLI commands to install jQuery. So here is the command, npm install jQuery save. See, installed successfully. Let's check under node modules jQuery folder created or not. See, here is the jQuery folder. Under dist, see, here are the JS files. Now let's see how to refer this jQuery. And open Angular JSON file. See, like we added CSS files under styles array. Same way here you can see scripts arrays there. So under this array first let's add jQuery min.js path. Now along with that we need to add bootstrap min.js path also. See, it's very simple. Now first stop the server and start again using ngserve. Oops, giving error, because the bootstrap path is wrong, need to add JS also. Let's start the server again. See, compiled successfully. Let's check now collapse icon click is working or not. See, it's working. Now let's click on menus. See, it's working. Book add is showing properly but book list is not showing properly for mobile. Let's add some changes for mobile view. Open book list component HTML file. See here is the table. Let's add CSS called table responsive at div level. Let's add one important thing, so instead of keep everything in the same table, let's create a separate view for mobile. So create two div, one for web or desktop and other for mobile. See, everything is separate now. Let's add some CSS related changes in book component CSS file. So initially mobile table is not visible. Add some CSS related logic, so based on screen size we will show or hide table. See, CSS logic is very simple. See, the only message is showing for book list when the screen size is mobile. Add some more changes so it will look more perfect. That's the benefit of HTML logic is separate for mobile or tablet. Let's check now. It is looking perfectly fine. See, everything is working as expected. Let's change it to some other device like iPad. See here, also everything is looking good. So no matter which device you change, it is looking perfect. Now let's install FontAwesome node module using Angular CLI. Here is the command: npm install save FontAwesome Angular FontAwesome. Plugin installed successfully. Let's stop the server. Let's add FontAwesome CSS path in styles array. Let's check under node modules FontAwesome folder created or not. See, here is the FontAwesome folder. See, here are the CSS. Now let's start the server again. Compiled successfully without any error. See, it's working. Now let's add some FontAwesome related icon. First, let's add new book. Add icons for save and reset. Add an icon for show list also. Now let's check icons are appearing or not at proper places. See, icons are coming. Now let's change the view from the web to mobile. See, it's showing properly. I checked in my changes. I will show from where you can find these changes. See, here are the changes. In Angular JSON we added CSS and JS related changes. Package lock JSON also showing some changes. Like we installed a plugin for FontAwesome and Jquery. Package JSON also included these two plugins. In the end, I will show you what are the things package JSON file contain. Here are the other changes. Everything looks so simple. That's it. If you want, you can download Book REST API Angular 2 application. Now let's open package JSON file and let's see what are the things this file contain. Here is the name like Angular 2 version 0.0.0. Here are the commands like every time for a run application we use ngserve, so here is the declaration for ngserve. Like serve there are many like build, test, lint, e2e. Here are the dependencies list. If you observe then here almost everything is using Angular 7 version. And anyhow after AngularJS they built the entire new framework and called as Angular. After that they just give updates. There are no major changes. In an easy way you can understand, like when we install any plugin using Angular CLI it automatically adds in this array. Like here font awesome and jQuery added. I hope you understood. Here is another array for dev dependencies which require to build an Angular application like Angular CLI. Now I am not removing anything, but later we will remove unused dev dependencies. See, here is the TypeScript version, so currently, we are using 3.2.2. I hope you got some idea. That's it for this video. In the next video we will see how to use HTTP client and how to call REST API using Angular.
Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.